Discover the savory side of panna cotta with this vegan recipe for cauliflower panna cotta with caper relish featuring Oatly oat milk in place of the traditional dairy milk. Let's get started by preparing the roasted cauliflower. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the cauliflower florets with olive oil, pimenton, salt, and pepper. Place the cauliflower on a baking sheet in a single layer and roast until golden brown and tender. Toss with lemon juice and adjust seasoning to taste. Now we'll make our cauliflower and mushroom filling. Heat a sauté pan over medium-high and add olive oil and mushrooms. Sauté until the mushrooms are golden brown and have released their moisture. Add the garlic and cook until aromatic. Season with salt and pepper. Add a half cup of the roasted cauliflower and toss to combine. Add parsley, lemon juice, and zest, and adjust seasoning to taste. Place the cauliflower and mushroom filling into the bottom of the ramekins or cups. Now we'll make our panna cotta base. In a blender, place 2 cups of the oat milk, coconut milk, and roasted cauliflower. I'm using Oatly in this recipe because it has a balanced flavor and texture that allows me to substitute it 1-to-1 for dairy milk. Blend this mixture until it's completely smooth, then pour the puree into a pot. In a small bowl, combine cornstarch, agar-agar, and pimenton. Then stir in the remaining oat milk. Mix this together until smooth. Place the cauliflower oat milk mixture over medium heat and stir in the cornstarch mixture. Bring this to a simmer, whisking constantly for 2 or 3 minutes until it thickens. Remove from the heat and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Pour the panna cotta mixture over the cauliflower and mushrooms in the serving ramekins. Gently stir to remove any air bubbles. Smooth over the top and allow the panna cotta to cool slightly before placing them in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours. Meanwhile, we'll make the cauliflower and caper relish. Combine a half cup of the roasted cauliflower, capers, red onions, and parsley in a bowl. Toss with olive oil and lemon juice and season with salt and pepper. Once the panna cotta has chilled, it should be nice and thick and slightly firm. To serve, top the panna cotta with the cauliflower and caper relish and drizzle with some of the juice from the relish. Your guests will love this beautiful and delicious Oatly oat milk and cauliflower panna cotta as an elegant appetizer. And it's vegan, gluten, soy, and nut-free. Enjoy!